Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Cole Elementary School, home of the Bulldogs in Clovis, California. I'm part of the Clovis Unified School District. This is my second visit to their campus, and it was so special today because we got to kick off Kindness Week here at Cole. And they have these different sayings all over campus. Kindness changes everything. And the focus today, we built on my first topic that we talked about during my first visit, which was about diversity, our differences, respecting everybody no matter what, both on the inside and the outside, that need for human kindness. Today I took it up a level. It's kind of like kindness part 2, and the focus was on bullying, but more importantly than that, looking at someone's heart first, right? That we look at someone the same way that we see our best friend, for their heart before anything else, right? And our heart's as big as our fist, so if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn this into this peace sign, right? And one finger is for ourselves, the other is for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves. But it's also two, because it's just 2 seconds, right? One breath, one heartbeat, one action, that just that 2 seconds can either uplift or it can tear down, right? By what we say, what we do. And a lot of students have come up to me and said, Mr. Peace, I'm getting bullied. I said, when did it start? They said 10 minutes ago. I said, okay, it's probably not bullying, because for something to be bullying, it's got to be over and over again on purpose to gain power over someone. But the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, those one-time words, can still leave the same impact, right? Positive or negative. And that's our choice. And so many students came up to me too after the programs today, just expressing their heart, somewhere in tears. They've just been going through some past pain, things that they haven't really worked through yet. And I was more than happy to do that with them. And I always say tears are the sweat of our strength. It means you're starting to heal and feel. But I also say that it's great that you're doing that, because if we just keep it bottled in and all that hurt, that's a big reason why bullying happens, right? That I say hurt people, but heal people, heal people. So yes, it's true that, if we're hurting, the easy thing to do is to go push that on someone else. The hard thing to do is to work through that, to be able to forgive, rise above that hate, still show that love and kindness, and become healed, right? But it's possible. And it's so needed in this world today that we do choose kindness, that we do choose love. And for Kindness Week, that we're not just being kind during this week, but every week, right? So that the habits we start to learn and gain during this time, let's make that, a year-long, school year-long, lifelong mission, right? To just keep pushing for peace and seeing people for their heart before anything else. And this as well. I bring this up in all my talks. You can see that on the screen as well here. But on my hand, I traced the line. With the lines on my hand, I traced my M. And all of us, with the lines on our hand, have at least one on each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, and that M, I say, stands for miracle. Like the front of my shirt here, right? Upside down, W for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, because so many students I speak to, they don't, or they haven't been told this, or they take what other people say about them so personal. And I say, yes, there's a lot of opinions out there, but not everyone matters. What matters is what you believe, what your best friend sees, and hopefully it's this. So keep shining that light, keep being that change that we just keep talking about, every time I come to visit. Hope to see you all again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.